All right, well, we're done with this wall. It only took us a couple of hours, actually 2.5 hours. Concrete got here at 10, what time, 10 o'clock? Yep. And we were finished by 1 o'clock, went to lunch. Pretty sweet. Let me show you the wall, look at it. Okay, so by the way, I hope you put your email, your phone number, because we're gonna get a hold of you and get you all set up for a training. So you can come, there's my dog and my dogs, both of them. But we can set you up for a training. We'd love to have you out in a training and teach you how to do what we do. This is a free training. You just show up, you're right. You're hearing it right. There's no charge for the training. So I'm gonna show you how to do what we do. The rocks, I mean, think about it. If you're a hardscape guy or you're somebody doing a backyard, you wanna learn how to do this. This right here was done in what, 2.5 hours? And I mean, we're done. I mean, we still got a little wall to do over there, but 8 yards of concrete, steps without forms, the capstone, everything. It looks so handsome. It looks so nice. I want to show you how to do this. We're going to do all kinds of, we're going to do waterfalls and much more than that at our trainings. So be sure, leave your information, and I hope to see you soon at the trainings, and I'll show you everything we have about this thing. It's really nice.
Recently discovered for our company. Little skeptical about the product and how easy it was to use. So came in Thursday and we built an outdoor kitchen in a matter of hours. Simple to work with, easy to cut, easy to put together. They know all the little tricks, so it was super nice to be able to be like, okay, well this problem here is not even a problem. It looks like a problem, but it's overcomable by doing X, Y, and Z. So you get all those little tips and tricks, and it went so much faster. All the little things that are a little apprehensive about just disappeared.
The possibility with these products is really, it's a new paradigm.
Clearly they've put the time in with the technology, the tests. I mean, the products are really developed, and coming here and seeing it firsthand, seeing how fast the mix is set up, the installs, single day installs, just because you can keep building on it. It really is, that is an amazing part of what makes your installs, cuts back on your install time.
It's just been a unbelievable experience from watching all the YouTube videos that I've seen for so many years, and now actually doing it, and with the instruction from everyone here, and seeing my own level increase in my knowledge of it. It's just been an amazing experience, getting to know the instructors, and they go well beyond what just doing the rock and all these different features, and it goes into the business aspect of it, and what you can learn. And the experience has been a fun, just a totally fun experience, almost as if it's a family oriented, just like a big family. And couldn't say enough about it, to be honest with you. And I would recommend it to anyone that's especially into design, creativity. You have unlimited creativity. There's nothing you can't do with this product. And that's just after 3 days, I'm looking forward to getting back and
Steps without forms. We threw the concrete right there, as you saw in the video, and we made that out of it. And look at how usable it is. Their walkway, the first entry into the walkway was horrible. This is the steps without forms. You saw that also. Brought it up to the top, made a walkway. Beautiful. The yard looks amazing. Look at the overheads, and we'll catch you on the next one. Stay tuned.
And I think the margins, the profit margins on these techniques and these products are pretty exciting.
And then to see the bowlers come together, our water feature, in 4 hours with 5 guys, we made a water feature that's 8 by 6 feet tall out of some big panels and some scraps. And within 40 minutes to an hour, we were standing on the product that was just pieces before. And that whole water feature came together like that. Painted, I mean, waterfalling, gorgeous product. And that's just not something you can do with ordinary construction. So our outdoor kitchens take forever. Now they're going to take less time. Instead of paying somebody else my profit to have them do it, now I get to do it, and I get to keep the profit that I was previously paying somebody else. And water features, they were out of our league before. Now I can go back tomorrow and have all the confidence in the world I can do a water feature. Like, simple.